Hey guys, um, we busted open a watermelon, and I just purchased a seed um, unit that will activate your seeds. It's a heating pad that has a dome, and I'll show you. These are, I don't know what type of watermelon it is, but I'll show you the seeds, some of the seeds that I've gotten out of the watermelon. And I wanted to kind of show y'all. I took out 3 so far. I think I had pretty much 100% success rate on my seeding. I might have had one that didn't. That's not a bad. That's 100. Almost. That's pretty much 100% seeding. But this is the pad I purchased. It's a heating pad. You can put your seeds on there, and it'll heat that soil up, and then it'll make these hatch. Now, just a FYI, they say run it at 85 degrees on your digital thermostat, and you can turn it up and down. It has a temperature, and then what the actual pad is. Everything's hatched, so I've been running at about 90, but I normally run at about 95, and it's worked. They'll hatch. And this will monitor it, and I've got my little tent here. I've got it all wired, every wire's everywhere, but I run a 300 on there, 320 watt LED bar, and I have some extra blue LED lights in here for the vegetation. But everything went up. These come with a little dome, and then you can let the humidity out. I usually just crack mine just a hair, just to let some of get fresh air in there. These come with a unit that runs about $30. They come with about 10 of these trays, or 5 trays. I can't remember exactly. Got my helper in here. But and then they have a little hole at the bottom, and they'll drain in there, and then they'll wick up. But I forget, I think there's 12 seeds in each one of these. I put the top on so you can kind of see. You can buy these a little taller, which I'd recommend. These just came with the unit because they run out of space, because this is only about maybe 3 inches, 2 inches tall. But the pad's big enough where you can put, let me just show you. See, you can put 3 units across here, and that's 12 seeds, roughly 12 seeds per unit. So, I mean, you can pop some seeds pretty quick on this little 10 by 20 pad, heating pad, or seeding heat mat, however they say it. But yeah, it's pretty nice. You can set your little temperatures and what's like I said, I usually run at about 95 when I'm seeding. I did check the temperature on here, and it is off a little bit, like 1 or 2 degrees, which is not real bad, but I run at about 95, and 85 doesn't. They weren't hatching. They wouldn't come up yet. They wouldn't break. So I brought it up to 90, and then I caught a guy online. He said he's running his about 95 degrees temperature on his soil. Comment on y'all what y'all run y'all's at. Curious. But I've got an isolating fan in here. I've got a timer. I'm breaking it down here pretty soon, so I had everything just kind of loose. And I got a 4-inch exhaust. I like to upgrade it. I run everything on a hub, and it controls my fan, reads my humidity, all that in here. So anyway, I just wanted to show you all that. Spent about $30 on this. Come with a bunch of hatching seed hatchers, and these are the seeds that I got out of the watermelon, and I had pretty much 100% success rate with it, so that's not too bad. It's worth $30. Anyway, guys, hope y'all like it. We'll see y'all on the next one.